ऑलराइट, सो अभी हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा? अभी हम लोगों ने पढ़ा लिस्ट। ए इज इक्वल टू, ऑलराइट, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स, टाइप ए लिस्ट। नाउ डिक्शनरीज आर व्हाट? अरे सॉरी, dictionaries are what? Dictionaries are basically curly brackets. So this represents what? This represents empty dictionary. All right, and this is also a sequential data type. Type a dict. All right, type a dict. So it represents what? Dict. So curly brackets represent dict. Square brackets represents what? Represents list. All right. So dictionary, what are dictionary? Dictionary are nothing but key
Key and
value
value
pair.
pair.
Correct, correct. So dictionary are what? Dictionary are key value pair. All right. So dictionaries. All right. So let us take, this is what? This is a key. This is what? This is value. Whatever is on the left side of the colon is what? Is your key. Right side of the colon, value. If we check the len, so key value pair, why it is showing len as 5, it should show len as 10. So key value pair. So key value together make one element of a dictionary. That is why it is showing a length of 5. Key value pair basically together make what? Together make one element of a dictionary. So this is what it is. All right. Any doubts? Any doubts in this? No
No,
doubt.
I am good.
Okay. What about you, Isha?
No, I'm also good. No doubts.
All right. All right. Okay. Okay. I'm actually confused between voices. Don't mind, but I'm confused between voices. मतलब, whether Isha is speaking or whether Ravi is speaking. Basically, identical voices. Basically,
Oh, okay.
yeah, almost मतलब identical. So please don't mind.
No problem.
Yeah. All right. So A. So 1:1, 2:4. Whatever is on the left side of the colon is key. Right side of the colon is value. All right. So this is what it is. So if we want to extract only keys, so we use the dot keys function. All right. So A dot keys.
Keys.
So we'll only correct. So we'll only get what? We'll only get keys. And if we want to extract values, so we will get what? Only
A dot
values.
values.
Correct. So as you can see, all right. So this is what it is. All right. So this is what it is. So as you can see, keys and value. Now, when we talk about elements, all right, we are actually talking about what? In terms of dictionary, if we talk, we're talking about what? We're talking about items. So whatever the length it is showing over here, it is showing the length of elements, of course. And those elements, key value pair, are known as what? Items or item. Key value known as one item. Multiple key value pair, items. All right. So when we want to extract the items, which are already here in the form of dictionary. But let's say in this form, dict underscore item like that. And we want to extract items. How will we extract? Dot items. Just for that. All right. Items. All right. Dict underscore items. All right. 1 comma 1, 2 comma 4, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 9, 4 comma 16, 5 comma 20. So this is how we print items. All right. So this is what it is. But very simple, very easy. All right. Any doubts?
Yes. No. For output line number
Okay.
14 and
Yeah, yeah,
15.
yeah.
For output line number 14 and 15, when we print dot keys and dot values, we are getting key values. That is fine. But when I was also dealing with such things in my office, I got confused why dict keys and dict values will be printed in the output.
Okay, okay. So basically, correct. Good question. So basically, it is what it is basically dict underscore keys and dict underscore values. So they are what they are basically keys and values of a dictionary. So, and excuse me, they are designed in such a way that they will basically return in the output as dict underscore keys and dict underscore values. Basically, they
Oh,
belong to the dictionary, dict data type. And the function we
okay.
have used, so underscore keys, so this is what it is.
Okay, for better understanding purpose, they have designed.
Huh, maybe.
Okay, okay,
So this is what it is. अब for basically better and that depends on the basically the programmer, the programming scientist who has done it.
okay, okay.
Oh yeah. So this is what it is. So we can print it in lexicographical order. If it has dict underscore keys or dict underscore values, that does not mean we cannot loop it. We can loop through it as well. Similarly, we can loop through values. Similarly, we can loop through items as well. So we can do this. It will read one by one and keep storing it in X, and side by side keep printing it. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Any doubts, Isha?
No, Utkarsh, I'm good.
Okay. Okay. All right. So this is what basic of dictionary. All right. Let us move ahead further. All right. So let's say we want to access values in a dictionary. So how we'll access. So A is the dictionary name. Uh, In square brackets, let's say we want to access the value of the key 3. We write a square bracket 3, and or let's say return value. So a square bracket 3 will return 9. Similarly, a5, a4, so this is what it is. Now now second method, alright, get a dot get function 2, a dot get 3.
Utkarsh, one question.
Yeah, tell me.
Dictionaries are ordered or unordered?
Okay, good question. So dictionaries are basically ordered,
Okay.
ordered set of data structures. All right. Sets are also ordered set of data structures. Lists are unordered. All right. So this is what it. All right. Any doubts? So
Utkarsh,
dictionary are
list are ordered, I think.
no lists are unordered. As
Okay,
we,
so if they are unordered, then can we do like we are doing indexing and slicing on list? So if they are unordered, then how can we do indexing and slicing?
ordered in the see ordered in terms of position.
Yeah.
Ordered in terms of position, but terms of elements they are unordered.
Okay, okay. Then
Hmm.
in terms of position, dictionary is ordered or unordered?
So see, डिक्शनरी में क्या होता है? डिक्शनरी में पोजीशन एज सच नहीं होती है ना?
Okay.
डिक्शनरी में क्या होता है? जब आप डिक्शनरी हो गया आपका, सेट और टपल में तो खैर होती है। डिक्शनरी हो गया आपका आपका की वैल्यू पेयर होता है। देखिए मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया, मैंने यहाँ पे स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट डाला,
Hmm.
ठीक। तो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट डाला तो उसमें क्या हुआ, देखिए पोजीशन से कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। ये क्या दे रहा है हमें? ये हमें वैल्यू रिटर्न करके दे रहा है। की डाला और वैल्यू रिटर्न करके, है ना? सो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज। सो पोजीशन एंड ऑल आर नॉट इन स्कोप ऑफ डिक्शनरी।
Okay. So
ऑलराइट,
indexing and slicing also we can't do.
no, that cannot happen, that cannot happen because it is a key value pair, है ना?
Okay.
For that you need sequential data type element, and list, set and tuples are sequential data type elements. So indexing and slicing can happen in those type of Python data structures.
Okay.
Okay,
All
so
right.
dot get function will take
Hmm.
the key as input.
डॉट, हाँ वो तो मैंने बताया ना, रिटर्न वैल्यूज इन अ डिक्शनरी, ये की ले रहा है
Okay,
ना।
okay, okay. Got it.
वो तो मैंने बताया ना, ए डॉट गेट 1 2 4 3 9 4। Alright, so this is what it is. Alright, any doubts anyone has? Any other doubts anyone?
No, I am good.
Alright, great. Alright, shall we move ahead further?
Yeah. Yes.
Alright, great. Just a second. The link is about to expire. I'll share a new link in 2 minutes. Alright. So this is what get function does, this is how we basically access values in a or return values in a dictionary using dot get or easier method to. All right. Let us see how to basically change values in a dictionary. Very simple it is. Let's say two. Two is what? Two is currently has a two key has a value 4. All right. So if we take A2 is equal to 8, and if we basically now run the updated dictionary, so you can see 2:8. All right. Similarly, you want to update 3, so we can see 3:27. Similarly, all right. So this is what it is. This is how we can update a value in a dictionary. All right. Any doubts? Let me share a new link. Any doubts anyone has?
No, Utkarsh, no doubts.
No, I am also good.
Okay, good.